Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Mercy here. So on today's video, we are on our second destination of food around the globe, and this is incorporated with the step challenge. And today we are in Tehran, Iran, and we are making LOOBIA POLO, a Persian food that derives its name from the main ingredient, which is the green beans and the rice. So I'll be using fresh ground turkey instead of ground beef because we are not fans of ground beef. So my green beans are already steamed and my rice is already steamed. So I'll go ahead and we'll start cooking. For watching today's video. I'm glad that you're here. As I started this challenge, we are working for food, and today is destination 2. After every 10,000 steps, you unlock a destination around the globe and you get a recipe, you get to try that food. So today we tried LOOBIA POLO, and it's derived from string beans and rice, I believe. So let me stay here in Iran before I start walking and get to my next destination. I don't know what that will be, but stay tuned on our next video, which will be destination 3 and our third recipe. Until the next one, like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.